Hello everyone, I am your host Vaibhav and I am glad to welcome you back on our fourth episode of Understanding Diaspora. This will be a great episode where we will discuss about the cultural aspect of diaspora. This will be an interesting podcast. I hope you will guys like it. The recently we realized that what is Indian diaspora, and now we will discuss what is diaspora population on the internet. So let's see, guys. There are numerous web-based news portals and forum sites dedicated to specific diaspora communities, often organized on the basis of an origin characteristics and a current location characteristics. The location-based networking features of mobile applications such as China's WeChat have also created de facto online diaspora communities when used outside of their home markets. Now, large companies from the emerging countries are looking at leveraging diaspora communities to enter the more mature market. Online, people are connecting with their origin and trying to learn and understand their origin and trying to be in touch with their origin. The internet is helping people to understand their origin and their culture. While we are talking about culture, we also have to understand that because of diaspora, there are people who are following multiple cultures at the same time. Because of diaspora and globalization, people now realize and understand various good aspects about different cultures and they are adopting and accepting them very well. For example, I am an Indian guy, but today we are celebrating festivals like Halloween, which are never celebrated before. Even in various foreign countries, there are people who celebrate Diwalis and festivals like Holi. In Spain, people celebrate Dahi Handi festival very well. These are the signs which indicates that people accept each other's cultures because of diaspora. People leave their origin, went to other places, and they either adopt new culture or stick with their own culture. But one thing is sure that wherever the diaspora people go, there will be a cultural change. Because of diaspora, the world became a global village right now. There are many people who follow different religion or different beliefs because of diaspora, because of the spread of new religions and cultures. These are the real some good and fun facts about diaspora. These are the fifth. This is the fourth episode of diaspora. In the last episode, which will be the fifth episode and the final episode, we will give you some total summary of our podcast in a special Marathi language. I hope you guys will enjoy that also. For now, I will see off your host Vaibhav Adate.